us in here like this. Come on. Somebody say Osochinja. Amen. Say it there. Come on. Hey. Dennis don't come. And the people say, I say we chop PVC. What for APC? And the people say, for security. I say go there. Say go there. Say infrastructure. Say go there. Good road. Good high tech. Say go. Okay, so Opewo don't come. Dennis don't come. And the people say, we chop PVC. What APC? And the people say, okay now. On the board there, wanna make some noise. Oh yeah, brother, tell mama. I say mama, tell mama. If I will for governor, that's all you go do. Hey sister, now the committee tell mama, make you hear. Mama tell him, oh yeah. Oh, this is for deputy, oh. Okay, deputy, oh.
If you know that your son, Comrade Adams and Leo Shomole, made you proud in the state, make some noise! Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Auchi and we can see how joyous the people of Auchi is receiving the next governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpabo.
Thank you. Hello. Auchi women, oh yeah. Auchi youth, oh yeah. Can you hear me? Are you ready? Sorry about the hot sun. But as women, you know that nothing good without sweat. But I pray that every sweat, every drop of sweat will translate to progress and prosperity under Governor Monday Ukpewolo. I know that the Honorable Minister spoke there, but many people were not able to hear. So, Minister, 2 minutes, can you summarize us?
Thank you very much. Politics, development, like you are politics. You know, the only development member on our China for the past 16 years was the construction of the body by our leader coming. You know, since that time, I gave my sense about China. Was there anything Obaseki did? What about now? I can vote to know where our leaders stop and Lawrence Agbari. Megwa, Wane make Minister of Niger Delta. Ekpapagena, he can run in ministry back in Alonotona. We can follow which is say one, Emokoyon Abedebo, all those streets that do me, Merelare, other the NDDC. I need the government. Eye no ya watataka. I can no ye but gas station. I can want all the contractor will soon come to work. So, I know you got a road. What kind of a preventive tax I did talk to pass through 2 days ago. Into NDDC in Barani. But so many of you saw me. And I get back there shortly. Who get Nazi Eminaka Bose from Tokura Junction up to Cemetery, down to Marcos, up to the market. Marako together. But I came out with can assure you that we are part the only party that more development in our party will not do. So Monday, no Ryan, Imara vote now, and anybody make it go on the Ramana, no Papa Menu as I say, no Papa Emma as I say, why you so quick? Osho Gija, thank you very much. APC, I want stop the noise now. You better make you hear when the big us come here. After we go dance on September Upper Sunday, because we go vote Upper Saturday. But Upper Sunday we go denge. We can we better do. Go. So I want to thank the minister for what he's doing. His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, otherwise known as Philip Poo. Thank you. Hello. No, stop the noise. No, madam, stop. Hello. I think you want to hear a message. Not just to dance, not just to sing. So no more singing, no more dancing, and no more noise, please. So that when you go home, you can tell your husbands, and husbands can tell their wives, brothers can tell their sisters, sisters can tell their friends why they have to vote correctly by voting for distinguished Senator Monday Ukpeolo, alias Apako Rescue. Now, no, stop that. No, as young people, you must be trusted in the message, not noise. I want to believe we are depending on you to go and communicate. So if you say, oh yeah, you don't go now. It's PDP that like that one because they have no message. They will just do like this, but they don't have any message. Because what is the message that you want as Auchi people? This is Auchi Community United. Auchi Community United for Monday, Ukpeolo, and Dennis Idahosa. And it is important that you hear why you have to vote APC so that Monday Ukpeolo will be the next governor. Is that not important? Will you go home and say, we blow, we blow this? No. That we will do on Sunday after the election. Yes, I believe that our responsibility as leaders is to speak to the issues that will make life affordable for majority of the people. When Honorable Momo, the Minister of Niger Delta, spoke to you, he didn't come here to lie. Stop that. No. Come on. He told you the project is bringing. Is that not the kind of message of hope you want to hear? That is bringing federal money to develop Auchi Kingdom. Because the secret Auchi Kingdom is part and parcel of the Niger Delta states. Before our people say, they know that is why he started by saying, if you have had anything in Auchi Kingdom, none of them was done by PDP. The dualization of this road, do you remember who did it? What is my name? What is my name? I remember that time PDP be say that don't know there for budget. But we don't do the road. Where we take money to am? You know our major problem. The gully erosion that's washing away everything. Our Otaru, the most principal traditional ruler in Edo land, in Edo North. He even went to protest the PDP on the highway. The PDP listened to him. It was when APC came, using me as a symbol, that we fixed that erosion. And I don't think now they are maintaining it. Because there are new erosions that are cropping up. Because, hello, when you buy a car, you must maintain it. When you build a house, you must maintain it. So when we construct that erosion, we expected that the next government will continue to maintain it, so that you don't lose what you have already gained. As Governor Obaseki and Aswa Godaro, as chairman of Alagodaro, have they done anything to arrest that erosion from coming back again? When I was here, I built a number of red roof schools, primary and secondary. Is it not correct? 8 years later, those schools are there, but do you have teachers? Do you have enough teachers? But the school building cannot teach itself. As teachers resign or retire or dies, no new teacher will be recruited. And yet, Obaseki says he's doing Edo best. Obaseki's Edo best is Nigeria and Edo State, Edo worse. Edo terrible. He destroyed our education. He is compromising the future of our youth. Because let's face it, if your pikin don't go to school now, with teachers, can he become engineer tomorrow? Can he become a nurse? Can he become a doctor? Can he even become a politician? If he's a politician, he's only to vote. He cannot be voted for unless he go to school. So he cannot be senator. I couldn't have been a senator or a governor if I did not attend good public school. My father couldn't have afforded private school. So education is gone. Every now and then we know that you have crisis of transformer. There is no light. And individuals are raising money to buy transformer. As governor of Edo State, I bought hundreds of transformers to different communities. That is the purpose of government. What will you do differently? Again, when I was governor, this is very important. I applied to the president there who was a PDP president. I said I needed permission to set up Operation Thunderstorm. Hello? You remember Operation Thunderstorm? Made up of army, police, and DSS. And then I set up neighborhood watch. I'm sure there must be some Auchi boys and girls who were part of that neighborhood watch. We did not buy them double barrel or pop action to go and be killing people. We didn't do that. Rather, we motivate them. Whether it's a beer parlor, it's power parlor, it's mama put, any joint, mechanic shop, you see a straight face, report to SSS or report to police. Then the joint operation, we start, and the army, we give the fire cover. That is how we mop up kidnapping in this part of the country. Today, our people cannot go to farm. Everybody is saying, listen, everybody is saying federal government, federal government, federal government. Yes, but why do we have state governments? Why do we have local governments? If they have no role to play, why is Obaseki collecting 60 billion naira every month from the federation account? When I was here, our maximum allocation was 3 billion, 3.2 billion. Today, Obaseki pockets 16 billion naira every 30 days. What does that mean? Every day, like today, Obaseki is going to raise 500 million naira every day. So for 30 days, he makes, if I more than 500, because by 30 days, he will have made 60 billion. That is what he's getting for revenue allocation. What is it we need? I used to give the police new vehicles, not Sienna. not second class. I was buying a brand new Hilux because police cannot be using Sienna. And we maintain those vehicles. We have agreement with various petrol stations. If you don't have fuel, stop at the nearest petrol station. At the end of the month, Edo State government will pay. But what is happening now? Our people cannot go to the farm. And nobody can join in crying. Governors and government is not to join the people in crying. It is to find solution to the problem of the people. And I believe under Governor Mondo Upawolo, minimum ways, maximum action. He has to clean the bush, empower the police, give them the equipment, empower the army, the police, the DSS to work together. Because these criminals, they don't live on the sky, they live on the ground. You know them, I know them. The problem today, last time, Obaseki's troops, they shot at our candidate, but the bullet killed a policeman who was attached to him. 2 days later, Obaseki said, if that murderer is arrested, Nigeria will burn. I say Obaseki already looks like a person who is burned, if you look at the way he looks. In any case, if anything is left of him, by September 21st, just upper Saturday, you will use your PVC to deal with Ashwa Godaro and Obaseki combined. And Auchi people here, you know my respect, beginning with the Otaro of Auchi, who gave me the title at a time. Many people called me troublemaker when I was president of the NSC. He called me and he gave me the title of Omo Kwadabelo of Auchi Kingdom. So, hello, is somebody listening? So I am speaking to you as a member of Otaru Council because I am a chief and I have to deliver, and we will deliver. The Auchi market, is in the budget. We are going to build it not next year, this year. They have already surveyed the place because, hello, I don't know how long we will be in this planet Earth. We will come and go. What we will not go is the legacy we leave behind. And that is why wherever I go in Edo State, when they say Oshobaba, one day a man was calling me Oshobaba, I look at his face. I asked the guy with my car, I said, am I looking older than this Baba? He said, no. To say Oshobaba is a mark of affection. That does not mean I'm not older than you. You know what I mean? So, I want to be able to come back here with Governor Upawolo walking on the street of Auchi and people hailing him, Akpako Rescue, Akpako Rescue, Akpako Rescue. Is that not how you want it? Yes. He will speak by himself on what he's going to do differently. But I just want to remind you that for 8 years, all that PDP under Obaseki has done is to harass our traditional rulers. You know the way they remove your council chairman, Musa. Now Musa has the opportunity to vote on Saturday and remove Obaseki. After removing him, we will probe it to engineers. All the 60 billion every month, we must see what they are doing with it. And when you add the local revenue, it's even approaching 20 billion. The money you are taking from World Bank in the name of Edo Best, I will march together with the governor if he permits, because he will be charged, to go to the World Bank and ask them to come to Benin. We will take them around schools in Edo State, including schools in Auchi, and let the World Bank show us where the teachers are. Now is employed emergency teacher called a contract staff. Why will a teacher be employed as a contract staff? Teaching job is a profession. Once you are employed, it is fashionable, whether by man or by woman. But Obaseki has brought casualization to our education. God will casualize him out. God will what? Casualize him out. Because we are not casual citizens. Now, last question. This is a question for everyone. Particularly the young ones. What is the meaning of AI? What is the meaning of AI? Hey, what is the meaning of AI? All right. Now, instead of parading a human being, we have an artificial human being who suddenly claims he's from Esan, but he cannot speak Esan language. He does not sleep in a Wahimi, where he claims he come from. Like anything artificial, when they finish, he goes to Procha Hotel. Pikin way too big to sleep for a village every day. Me now, I'm proud to say, before I became governor, I dey sleep for my village. There is no soup. There is no soup as sweet as my mother's soup. And I know for you, there is no soup sweeter than your mama's groundnut soup. But you have an artificial intelligence who feel it's too big to sleep in the village. Stop that music. No. We go vote. We will vote them out. There must be election. There must be election. And let me speak to that. For 3 places now, they have given us, they attack our campaigns. They want to scare us. I told you how they killed the Audrey attached to our governor in waiting. We are still surprised that by now the police have not found them. That is why they are going to attack more people. Yesterday, attack Mama. They went to attack somebody, APC supporter store. Destroyed everything there. I'm even told that they even attack Agbo. The attack is car store. They say it's a warning. They want to deal with him. But let me tell you people, this is one time where fire for fire is not the answer. Fire for fire is not the answer. You know, it reminds me of the story in the Bible where Solomon, 2 wives were arguing about who is the actual mother. The man said he wanted to divide the child into 2 so that each of the wives, one can have one, the other one will have the other part. The fake mother said, yes, divide it. I will take half. The actual mother said, leave it for my neighbor so that the child will be alive. Then Solomon said, that is the actual mother. Because the real mother will never agree that you should divide the child. If you divide the child, you will be dead. So they know they cannot win election. Obaseki has never won election. Last year, he was reported and destroyed his own polling booth. He is fighting with the Oba of Benin. If he is fighting with the Oba of Benin, who is his friend? That is our paramount traditional ruler in the whole of Edo State. He is the king of kings. Now, young people, this morning I read a quote from a philosopher who said, it is better to spend all your resources building libraries in order to promote the culture of reading than to invest in buildings. Now, what is Obaseki's whole theory? Obaseki destroyed a library in order to bring market. Forget about the name, na small market. What are they selling there? Puff. Provision store. Tissue papers. Low quality. But the only good thing they say there is Auchi not to. That one is good. But you don't need to demolish a library in order to build a small market. But that's not the only thing he has done that has confounded anybody with minimum intelligence. Even if you are just artificial intelligence, you are not a human being. He demolished a hospital and replaced it with not a park. He replaced it with a museum. How can you have a museum when the thing that were stolen, the artifact that were stolen
from the Oba of Benin Palace by the British, another Western nation when they invaded Benin. They have now agreed to return it. Obaseki went to collect the money. He had the European people to send the euro. He has collected millions of euros. How can a man who no get wife claim that he spent his money buying cake and he's buying a wrapper, he's buying a wig? That will not be deceit. You know, women, I respect my mother, so when I talk like that, I'm talking from what my mama tell me. That's why if we in this part of the world, you don't pray for a man to get child. You have to first pray that he'll get married. If whether he get married, it's okay. You pray for pikin. Not be so. It's one after the other. I can go on and on and on. But just to say, we didn't come here this afternoon to lament what the Obaseki failed to do. We came in to tell you what Governor Monday will do differently. It is just that we must speak to their character. Because having been in government for 8 years with Aswa Igodaro as the chairman of Igodaro, or Daro. Right? We needed to give you issues of character. Now, the last one he said, and I had a good laugh. He said, Oshomole started his life as a tailor. He started as a butcherman. Wow. They bought him with shares in that bank. But although I was never a tailor, but I'm very proud to be described as a tailor. Because in matters of politics, listen attentively, in matters of politics, it is who the people know that they will vote for. In every community, a tailor, a mechanic, these are the two people everybody must know. Because you want to sew clothes for Salah for Christmas, you must go to the tailor. Now on election day, not you know you go vote for. So how many people there for board? A 7-man board, 12%. I said, you see, this man are really artificial intelligence. Native intelligence, 0. Organic intelligence, 0. Native wisdom, 0. Can you see? So how will he govern? So, what's his name? Igodaro, I am a very proud tailor. And they sew suit, and they sew skirt, and they sew pipes, everything human being need. Because I know nobody should walk naked. After all, I was the Adam in the Garden of Eden. So nobody need to tell me. But so I am proud to have a humble beginning. Lastly, they also said, and this was Obaseki's wife, and I was like, how? He said, a whole former governor, I am promoting, according to him, a panel beater. Can you see the insult they want to wreak on our candidate? But my message to them, again, it shows how, although he claimed to be educated, but no wonder that he has ever handled a case in court. If he did, and if he read wisely, he should Google the president of Brazil, Lula. The president of Brazil was a panel beater. He rose to become the president of National Union of Metal Workers in Brazil. It is like our president of Nigeria Labour Congress. From there, he bid to be president of Brazil. He was elected president. He served his term. The right will try to harass him, but a comrade never give up. Today, Lula, the panel beater, is back as president of Brazil. Brazil is making aircrafts. They are making ultra-modern equipment. They are moving from third world to first world. So this guy doesn't know the difference. When I said it's not electable, he does not understand the dignity of labor. For him, it's about boardroom, but let the directors go above for him. How many directors are in Edo State? So I will stop now. I can't fall because the spirit of these guys are guarding me. When I'm here with these people, I'm not ordinary. So now join me as we welcome to the sacred ground of the sacred kingdom of Auchi, the one and only next governor who will speak by action, who will not do MOU, and who will not deceive you. The one and only distinguished Senator Mode Upawolo, alias Apaco Rescue. Women, oh yeah. Women, oh yeah. Youth, oh yeah. Everybody, oh yeah. APC. APC. First of all, before we start, I want us to say thank you to President Tinubu. Why am I saying we should say thank you to President Tinubu? We all know the challenge between Okpila and Benin. It takes days to get to Benin now. President Tinubu has approved that road to Alliance Carriage Road to Benin. So, very soon we will be driving at night on both dual carriage with street light at the middle. That is the kind of president we need for this country. We are here today. We all know that we are looking for a new Edo for us. A new Edo is rising. Our hope will be rekindled after 21st of September. We are going to do the extraordinary to develop Edo State. I am telling you that I am going to begin from where Adams Oshomole stopped in terms of development. My agenda for Edo is very simple. I am going to provide us with security so that our people can go to farm. We can do our business freely so that we'll be free of kidnappers. By the grace of God, wherever they will be hiding, wherever they will be hiding, we will go inside the cave to smoke them out. Because our land does not belong to them. Our land that God has given us is for us to enjoy. Is that not so? Education. Today you go to primary and secondary schools. You will no longer find teachers there. You will find 3 teachers. We are going to employ teachers and rebuild our schools back. We are going to employ over 5,000 teachers within our first 100 days in office. And we must make sure that we pay them according to the law of the federal government of Nigeria, not Obaseki way of paying teachers. In terms of infrastructural development, roads, I have continued to say that we do not have roads in Edo State anymore. I am going to turn Edo State into a construction site. And declare state of emergency on all our roads so that in under 1 year our roads will be motorable. Under health, we are going to build primary health care centers in all our 192 wards. Agriculture, we are going to support our farmers. We will support our farmers with fertilizers, agricultural equipment. Also, we will not stop there. We will provide them with loans so that they can farm easily and freely. Mechanized farming system is the way to go so that there will be food in our land. So we are going to introduce mechanized farming system to our agricultural sectors. The market women will enjoy soft loan from us. We will give them soft loan, provided they have cooperative society. All they need to do is to come up with groups, meeting. Then we will
use that medium to give them soft loans. That's the interest-free loan. The erosion problem in Auchi land. We are going to solve the issue of erosion in this land. We must make sure that our land is free of erosion. We will control it. I want to tell you that you can hear violence here and there. Do you know why they are promoting violence? They are promoting violence because they know they have stolen so much money from Edo State. They have put Edo into big debt. They have taken our money out of our land. They have not done anything in our land. They have borrowed 567 billion without anything to show for it. No road, no hospital, no school, nothing to show for it. So because of this, they know that they are going to jail. For this reason, they are promoting violence. They want to make sure there is no election. There must be election. One man, one vote. One man, one vote. One woman, one vote. One youth, one vote. We will vote them out. September 21st is the D-Day. It's the day that we will tell them our Mumu don't do. That day we will make sure that we pay them with their own coin. Thank you, Auchi people. God bless all of you.
As you give that assurance, even me, I need security. Hello. The one thing I forgot to mention. Now, as a senator, I told you about the Auchi market, but we're also going to do a youth center for Auchi, for the youth, and it's already in the budget, not 10 years' time. Now, let me invite. I represent you in the Senate, he represents you in the House of Rep. So he will talk according to his size.
Auchi, yeah. Auchi, yeah. What, yeah. What, yeah. What, yeah. What, yeah. Now me, your own. And Amero Dekeri, the man you voted to represent you in the House of Representatives. I want to assure you this afternoon, I want to appeal to you. All we need at this time is your PVC. Every man, every woman here in Auchi, we have done it before. I know we have the capacity to do it again, even more than double. Are we ready to vote Okpewolo? Are we set for Okpewolo? Auchi, I trust you. I depend on you. I rely on you. We are counting on your vote. Our leader, Adams Ochomole, he has shown us the way. He showed us the meaning of development. Okpewolo has promised us this afternoon that the erosion in Auchi will be a thing of the past. If we have him in the state house, we are going to hold him to this. I want to appeal to every man and woman here, that those that are not here, Okpewolo is our candidate. September 21st, our vote is going for who? Okpewolo, going for who? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Give me a lot of applause. Now, minister, I'm going to introduce. You're too big, you'll be minister. Okay. All right. Hello. Hello. It's okay. The minister is hereby invited to introduce a guy who is taller than me.
He cannot go over that Obasaki. Oh, okay, boy, yeah, Auchi. Why don't you know? Honorary Alhaji Duru Yusuf, the former chief of staff to Ojatome, the leader of PDP legacy group, okay, Gimayo, Efero, Gabaez, okay, Gimayo, chief Chief Onasa. Chief Onasa. Shaka is here. So, okay, let's go back. Shaka is here. So many of them. Okay. Where's the Shaka? Aragayo. Where's Aragayo? Okay. So, my camera and there is for you to know that Tikiti Ayane, you are PDP Auchi. Egegimayo, Wanagwe. He used to be my boy, but he ran away and he came back. Look, Majimo. So many of them, Your Honor. So he came in, Mohammed Hassan Kadri, so many of them. So he came in microphone, and as you do, you see, and thereafter, the state chairman, Chief Jared Tedebe, who formerly received them, Emperor. APC! Auchi Valeme! Vale Maluana! Akpakomi Zaloya! We are bringing them down. We are bringing them down. We are finishing them.
APC! Ward 1, Ward 2, Ward 3, Ward 4. PDP. Okay, who will PDP? What are China? Magari PDP ta. Mama Bomo PDP Magari Chiole. APC. Akpa Commissioner for Governor. Alaya. PDP Oregu. APC Adeya. Alaya.
APC here, APC there, APC everywhere. The former vice chairman of the council, the former vice chairman. APC. Akpa Commissioner for Governor. Tennessee also for deputy. Thank you. APC. Ward 1, oh yeah. APC, PDP, okay, Auchi. APC, okay, take over. The authentic deputy governor of Edo State. Okay, now give my man for 1 minute. Find it out. On the party now.
APC! APC! Another challenge, double challenge. On 21st is the D-Day. On the 21st is what? The D-Day. When we will vote bad government out. When we vote the devil out, right? Please, on that day, come out and defend your vote. No shaking. Mama can know you fair. You can let Martin no more fair. Nikiyo. Thank you and God bless you.
Mr. Chairman, receive the copy, please. APC. Akpa Commissioner for Governor. There is a natural mystic flowing through the air. If you listen carefully, you will hear. There is natural mystic flowing through the air. If you listen carefully, you will hear. By the power conferred on me as the substantive chairman of APC Edo State, I hereby receive our leaders who have just joined us across the four walls of Auchi into this progressive family, APC, to the glory of God. Thank you. Together we stand. Okay, let yourself, the commissioner for House Commission, talk to you briefly.
I want you what to do, buddy, was a soul. At that point, I said that boy. At that point, I said that boy.